Hey, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And today's video, I am starting a new series in my YouTube channel called mini albums. So I used to put together these mini albums. This is like for some Valentine's with my husband. This one, it's documenting my doggy. And also I have the big version of it. This is when we went a trip to Chicago. So I do all kinds of things. So I decided to document this summer of 2018, but in a smaller version using a small mini album. So if you want to know where I can get these mini albums, they are made of chipboard. They have a ring binding system. I can use these chipboards or regular heavy cardstock paper. And also, this is an album that measures 7 by 6.5, and it's a BoBunny brand. And I am planning to start decorating the cover of this mini album today, and I'm gonna show you in a moment the materials that I have gathered to put together this mini album. Okay, I'm back. So we're using this BoBunny mini album, and I order at peachychip.com the Pick Me Up collection. This is a 6x6 paper pad, and comes with the ephemera, and these are journaling spots because I have to journal every caption. I'm planning to use these, some stickers from Doily Boutique. Not sure if I'm going to be using them all, but also these gorgeous borders or trims. Aren't they cute? So it goes along with the orange. I might be using this trim, not sure yet, but also this trim as well. This is from the Dollar Tree. And might be using this poolside crepe paper layer embellishments. Planning to use also my photo play taggy and some stamps. Let's see how I roll on these, right? Of course, my Nubo drops for this collection, it will be the carnation pink, and this one is the Caribbean Ocean. Of course, you have to have gold, so I'm going to be using my stickles, and it's golden rod. That's the color. Fabric tag, because I cannot live without this. Probably several punches, pineapple. Let's see how I roll on this. So I am going to go ahead and put some music, and you will see me doing the front and back cover of this mini album. Okay, I am back. So I put some music and you saw me laying things out and cutting paper. So this is what I did for the front. Since these paper pads are only 6 by 6 and the mini album from BoBunny, it's only 6.5. So I put these cardboard, kind of like turquoise color, and picking up some of the colors for this collection. Put the Hobby Lobby trim, 99-cent store trim, and use these jelly bean frames and some stickers from Jolie Boutique. And on the back, what I did was, since again the paper is only 6 and this album is 6.5, so I just cut it out and leave like a gap so you will see the other one. So I have not done the insides because the color, the pattern of these front and back covers will determine on my front page and my last page. That's how I work on and roll on things. So this is the album. I'm definitely going to probably doing some charms here. So that's like the icing on the cake. Once I am done with everything, with all the pages and putting the pictures together and all that. If you like this video and if you like to continue seeing these videos like tutorials on how to do mini albums, just give that thumbs up, give me a comment, let me know if you like this type of video, and share this video with a friend, and don't forget to click that red button and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.